Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap West Carson local and long-distance movers near me. With our long-distance movers, you get the services you need for a much simpler move. Choosing our crew to assist you means your cross-country move is going to go effortlessly. The best moving services make all the difference, and we offer just what you need for your upcoming move. Hiring us means you receive access to all the common long-distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to hire a local California moving company might not seem like it's worth the price. However, when you start to recognize the conveniences, the cost seems to be well worth it. Any respectable moving company will help you save time on your local move. It will also keep you from having to take care of heavy lifting. Our experienced movers offer efficiency with each and every single move. Moving day becomes simpler with 3 movers since we simplify your entire move. Moving locally can be very fast, and our team can deal with even a large move in just a single morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our West Carson moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.